We've had very little inventory in our single family home category, below 1.5 million over the last few months. There hasn't been a lot of choice for people to purchase until today. My new listing I'm going to showcase to you today, you can soak in the sun while soaking in those mountain views. We're in Cougar Creek on the sunny side of Canmore, close to schools and walking trails. This is a split level home. As you come in from the main door, you've got a few steps up into the main space of the home. We've got beautiful vaulted ceilings here. It's a very open plan. As you can see, we've got the kitchen, dining room, and living room all together. And then it faces out onto that south facing deck where you can see the massive views of the mountains. The living space is super cozy. As I say, we've got these south-facing windows behind me that bring in all that natural light during the day. And then as the dark skies come in and the winter months start, we've got this beautiful wood-burning fireplace to keep you nice and warm. Rounding out this main floor, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom behind me. And the downstairs, you're not going to want to miss. It's been completely renovated. Let's go take a look. This lower level has been completely renovated. It's south-facing as well, so you get all that natural light through those windows. And we've got a 1-bedroom suite with living space, as well as a kitchen area, a separate entrance around the back of the house to access this lower level, and also the laundry, and my favorite part of this home, the sauna. The sauna might be my favorite part about inside the house, but when we get outside the house, I gotta tell you my favorite part is this massive garage. It's over 600 square feet and leads into this super long driveway where you can park all your cars and even your camper. There's lots to love about this house. It's a beautiful day. As you can see, Cougar Creek is in all day sunshine, which makes this backyard perfect for hanging out with the kids in the summertime. There is lots to love about this house, including the location. As I say, we're in Cougar Creek. We're just minutes from Elizabeth Rummel School. We've got coffee shops, restaurants, and all the trails that Cougar Creek has to offer. If you need any more information about this house or any other home in Canmore, my contact information is just below.